A red lip can look so romantic and so sophisticated. It reminds me of Paris on a warm sunny day. I wanted to create a look that would remind me of the glamour of when I was a little girl, playing with my mum's lipstick at her vanity. Hold up, it's 2018, so I wanted to show you guys how you can wear a red lip and how to make it look modern and not dated. First, I'm just brushing through the brows, and then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in Ebony. This isn't going to be a heavy brow look. I'm also growing my brows out at the moment, so I just want them to look light and fluffy with a little bit of shape. Next, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Brow Mascara in Espresso, and I'm just using this to hold my brow hairs in place. Next, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Color Correcting Concealer. I swear this is not an NYX ad. I recently bought this and I love it for the under eyes. It really does cancel out all those purples and blues. It's also perfect for a look like this where you don't want your base to be too heavy. I would normally probably go in with concealer under the eyes after colour correcting, but for this look I'm just going to keep it nice and simple. Next, I'm using one of my favourites by NARS Cosmetics. It's their creamy concealer in vanilla, just to conceal any dark areas or any tiny little spots that I've had, any discolorations. And again, I don't want anything too heavy, so we're just going to use the fingers as well to pat that in. Next, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Powder. I love this powder. It's amazing if you have dry skin as well, so I'm just going to dot that under my eyes and just on my T-zone. Next, I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics, and I'm using my finger to apply the colour Primavera to my lids. So this look is very much about using your fingers. It's very natural, and I really like that. I love the idea that you can almost feel and play with your makeup. Having said that, I'm now using raw sienna with an Iconic London brush. I'm just applying that into the crease of the eye just to add some depth. And with the same brush and without adding any more product, I'm just going to take that under the eye just to complete the eye. Next, I'm going to be curling my lashes with the Tweezerman curler. I actually once read in a magazine that Kate Moss said the best advice she'd ever been given was to curl her lashes twice, and I've kind of been doing that ever since. It makes so much difference. It really opens up the eye, it keeps the curl for longer. I think it really truly was amazing advice, so I'm now passing that on to you. I'm now going to be using Maybelline's Sensational Mascara on the bottom lashes and also applying the same mascara to the top lashes. I like to blink into my mascaras as well. I just find that it causes less mess and it also gives me the most length and volume. Next, I'm using the Iconic London Illuminator Drops in Original. I'm actually going to apply this all over my face. Stick with me, guys. It's going to look a little bit crazy to begin with, but I'm using this as a base. So this is actually going to be underneath my foundation. However, if you apply it less, you could get away with using it by itself. But because I know I'm going to be applying foundation over the top of it, I've kind of used a lot. But I just love this product, and it really gives a really beautiful lip from within glow to your skin, and it's really beautiful for summertime as well. Next, I'm using Dior Air Flash foundation, which I think is absolutely perfect for this look. I know it's actually quite a heavy coverage foundation, but if you use just a very small amount and then blend it with a kabuki brush, I actually find that a kabuki brush is so much better than using a beauty blender with this foundation. Then using this on the top just gives you such a flawless, gorgeous finish. I'm now using the Urban Decay setting spray over the top of it and taking a sip of coffee. Also, you just saw the Stila colour converter in Tulip that flashed up before this. This is such a beautiful cream product, which I really like to apply with my fingers to the cheeks. It gives you a really natural and beautiful pink glow to your skin. I'm now using the Iconic London blush coloured illuminator, so this is different to the original. It's got a slightly pinky feel to it, and I'm only applying that to my cheekbones. And now for the star of the show, I'm using NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in colour Kitten Heels. I really love the formula as well of this red lipstick. It dries. It says, I think it's supposed to be matte, but it's kind of a semi-matte. It's perfect because it's not too drying on the lips, and once it's set, I feel like you can eat and drink with it. You can even kiss with it. Not too much, but it is really, really beautiful. The colour is stunning and it keeps its intensity throughout the day. I really like how it applies, and this is the perfect red for me. It's like a slight orangey red rather than a blue toned red. Now I'm using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I love this. I'm applying it to my Cupid's bow, and I'm also going to apply it to the inner corners of my eyes just to give that extra golden pop to this look. I'm also going to apply it to my cheekbones over the top of the Iconic London highlighter, just so that we can glow, 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 because that is definitely a 2018 thing, right? That's the finished look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Instagram. There's a direct link in the description bar below. So yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day.